Hi everyone, this is Miss Fernandez, and I'm back with our geometry lesson 2. In this lesson, we will be going over sides and angles. So, I had already told you that the lines on a shape are its sides, and the corners are the angles. Where two sides meet is the angle. Now, on this lesson, basically you will be counting up all the sides and all the angles on each of your shapes. So, I will help you with this one on your lesson. We have a triangle. We can count the sides, 1, 2, 3. We can count the angles, 1, 2, 3. Over here we have a circle. Now, it's not the prettiest circle, but it doesn't matter. The circle has no sides, and it also has no angles because there are no sides to make an angle. So our answer here is 0. Do not leave it blank. Be sure to put in 0. And here was a rectangle. A rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. And that's basically all you need to know for this lesson. It's not too tricky. All you gotta do is know how to count. And remember that your sides are the long ones and your angles are the corners. Don't mix those ones up, okay? On this page, you'll be doing the same thing. So, it says you can describe two-dimensional shapes by the number of sides and angles. So if we are describing this triangle, we know that this is the side and this is the angle. So we can fill in that we know that a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 3 angles. A pentagon, however, we need to count up. And we can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. And you do that for the rest of this page. On these, you do exactly the same thing. It does say to trace the shape, but I crossed that out because you cannot trace on the computer. But you're still able to see it, and we know that that's a triangle. This is a pentagon, and a circle, and a rhombus. Here, it's describing the shapes, and you need to find which one of these meets that description. So it's asking for 3 sides and 3 angles. So we know that a square will not meet that description because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it already doesn't make it. This one might, and we know a circle wouldn't make it because it has no sides and no angles. And that should help you for that page. And I skipped these because it's hard for you to draw here. But here it says, write the name of each shape, describe 2 things about each shape. So we know this, and if we forgot, we can go back to our first one and look. Oh, it's a pentagon. We can go here and we can write pentagon. And then if we're going to describe 2 things about this shape, well, we know that this shape has 5 sides. So we can write it has 5 sides. Here, I'll write it for you. 5 sides. So that's one thing. And we know that it has 5 angles. So those are my descriptions. And then you can do the same for the square. And yeah, that's about it. Here's your homework, but it's basically the same thing. So, not too tricky yet, okay? Hopefully you like the videos that I linked. They're cute and funny, and hopefully it helps you remember all of these new names and vocabulary terms you need to learn. All right, I'll see you tomorrow with our next lesson.